Javed bhai, smile please. And thank you so much. इतने दिन ख्याल रखने के लिए, गर्म पानी देने के लिए, गर्म खाना देने के लिए. See you soon. कश्मीर में मिलेंगे जल्द इंशाल्लाह. Get set, pack and snow. We're leaving Leh City to head to Khardungla by Khardungla Road, where there is a Khardungla cafe. Talking about branding game, theirs is pretty strong. We're gonna see snow in the mountains and maybe snowfall too. Some of us are gonna see snow for the first time. Hello people, what's up? So we're in the car right now heading to Khardungla Pass, and from there we're gonna reach Hundar, which is around Nubra Valley. So anyway, and also yeah, about the caption I took it because like he wanted it because these guys are setting out. You won't be able to see shit from here, but maybe you can see some human figure. Well, that's actually Shivam's jeans that's highlighted. But anyway, so yeah, they're behind taking B-rolls of this beautiful place, and the things that we can do with it are seamless at this point. We're almost there, and it took us about 2 hours to reach there. And oh, by the way, that's Sabya and Karan from Team Liamtra, and Dominic too, but he's in another car. You know Chinmay, you know Shivam, so I'm not wasting my time on them.
Well, the sun, it recharges me, makes me feel happy. Then it takes me on a little journey. I love the way a wave ripples through the sea, travels far just to break for you or me.
यार लिप बाम तो तेरे पास था, मेरे पास आया कहाँ से? हर बार तुम लोग मुझसे लिप बाम मांगते रहते हो जबकि होता तुम्हारी पॉकेट में. 10 पॉकेट टटोल के भी तुम एक लिप बाम नहीं निकाल सकते.
Kidding me, bro?
Huh?
We call this ride bumpy ride.
So hello people, welcome to the bumpy ride where the footage is gonna be bumpy and so is everything else basically. But yeah, my point to show this footage for you guys is to actually show you all, irrespective of however cinematic your rolls are, however beautiful your perspective is, but you just give these mountains one look. You just
Khardungla top है. Oh.
Yeah, the festival, sorry.
Highest Motorable zone.
Yeah.
Khardungla cafe, highest cafe in the world. Fuck.
तो जूता स्लिप हो रहा है?
नहीं.
क्या सर हम लोग कहाँ लेते हैं?
अच्छे जूते में इन्वेस्ट करो.
These guys are from Thailand. They've literally come just to visit Leh Ladakh, which is pretty cool. Why Leh Ladakh out of all the places?
Mostly we think that it's the sightseeing along the way, along the road. It's quite good. Further, because we like snow and we all want to see snow.
How's it going?
Going to Nubra.
We're also going to Nubra.
Okay.
So nice to meet you, man. Let's go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh my god, I'm tired. Are you guys tired too?
Yes.
I think so. I feel good. I'm not alone. Hello, people. I'm not too excited or enthusiastic right now. I'm just freezing to death somewhere on the inside of my soul. And yeah. This hot chocolate is a cheers to my extra cheese gang. they would have loved to be around over here, and the madness we would have had. Oh my god, this Coca-Cola glass is heavenly at this point. Tastes like shit. It literally tastes like shit. But it's hot. I think that's what actually matters at this point when you come to a place where the temperature is minus and it's dropping down to a situation where you might just die. I mean, yeah, that's my over-exaggeration. Obviously, I have to be dramatic because it's just default characteristics. But yeah, I mean, it's good stuff.
Pretty hard about 2 o'clock. I start thinking about where I'd rather be. Cause I've been getting pretty good at getting all worked up. It used to be that I just never really gave a fuck. Now all these little things weigh so heavy on me. And while I'm tying on another, she's tying up all her loose ends. It makes me think about my brothers and how I wish I was closer to them.
This place is a must, is literally a must, and the way we've planned our itinerary, oh my god, kudos to the team and like how it's all working out. We've been lucky in this aspect that we had a lot of coordination going from Mumbai to Delhi. We had a lot of coordination with our POC Funti. It's snowing, can you see the snowfall? I don't know how to show it.
Now I'm stumbling home through the park. I hate the weather and how early it gets dark. But summer's coming like some long holiday.
These guys are still flying the drone. I can't see it for sure, but I hope these guys have a track of the drone because it's a little difficult to get it back from here. Like, where are you gonna go around to get it? Where?
No signal.
Guys, Chinmay at this point has lost it a little because like we tried to fly the drone somewhere there, the place where you can't see, zero visibility. The drone somewhere stuck over there. Guys, we found the coordinates, we found the map location. Now all that we have to do is just
जिधर अपन बोल रहे थे ना उधर ही है.
Just head there.
ये पेड़ वो तो हो पे पहाड़ से ना पहाड़ से काफी बाहर जा ब्लॉक कर रोड से बहुत दूर है मगर ये.
So somehow we can manage to get to the exact pinpoint location, and once we happen to do that, that'll be the best feeling. Trust me, I'll believe in God way more than I ever did. But if we don't, not that I'm gonna have a hatred, but yeah, it's just not a good feeling. I'm not really happy about it.
Next we can do is एक गाड़ी से हम यहाँ जाते हैं and then we try to reconnect it.
चलो चलो
ठीक है.
टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते.
Let's not waste time.
क्या करने का है? मैं तेरे साथ चलूँ?
हाँ हाँ
ठीक है. तो मैं और ये जा रहे हैं आगे.
Sachit, because we need to cover those places, you go with them.
I'll do
और
that.
पूरा vlog करके रख.
मिल तो जाएगा ना.
I'll do that.
फोटो आप नहीं.
Guys, why do I have to keep saying hey guys? So I'll just give you information. So we're at Khardungla right now. This village is 20 kilometers down from where Khardungla Pass is. We're gonna have a quick lunch over here because we need to head to Nubra, and there's way too many things to cover over there around too. And we're way down all the snow peaks now. We're done with snow. We're gonna see sand dunes on the other hand, which is one thing I'm pretty excited about.
I love the way the sun shines for everyone. I love the feeling of the warmth flowing through my blood.
The drone's gone, and so are our hopes of looking for it. I think it's been a long day. Let's call it one. And see you in the next episode with another adventure, another experience.
Journey. I love the way a wave ripples through the sea.
Well, we have a celebrity amongst us.
Travels far just to break for you or me.
People are like getting out of nowhere to just say hi to them.
When water is covering over me, takes away my negativity, then it takes me on a little journey.